Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the Keeway SR 125, a perfect entry-level motorcycle designed for new riders and city commuters. With its classic styling, lightweight build, and easy handling, the SR 125 is a great choice for those looking to get into motorcycling without breaking the bank. The State Route 125 features a clean, retro-inspired design with a round headlamp and sleek bodywork. Its simple yet stylish appearance makes it stand out, while the lightweight frame ensures easy maneuverability, making it ideal for both new riders and everyday commuting. Powered by a 124cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, the State Route 125 delivers smooth, reliable performance for city riding. It's not about raw power, but rather a comfortable, easy ride with enough zip to get you around town efficiently. The suspension setup, with telescopic forks in the front and twin shock absorbers in the rear, ensures a smooth and stable ride on urban roads. With basic but functional features like a clear instrument cluster and disc brakes, the SR 125 is a no-fuss motorcycle that offers great value. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and stylish bike for everyday use, the Keeway State Route 125 might just be the perfect fit. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.